the yeah, that song. Okay, so we're leaving you with this last song, which is actually our single. Well, you can find my songs on all the streaming networks that you're subscribed to. Not necessarily in the Spotify or Apple, maybe. They're all bad, so. But yeah, we also have Bandcamp. And I'm also with Subvert, so I don't know if you've heard of Subvert, which is the new Bandcamp, which is a co-op streaming service. I want to introduce my band. On bass is Adam Lovinas. On drums is Andres Marquez, who performed earlier as Wes. On guitar is my brother-in-law, Jones Mendoza. And I'm Sosimo. Ako'y nanaginip kagabi na wala nang nagsabi. lot.
Give it up one more time for Zosimo! What was that co-op platform you said? Songbird? Subvert. Okay, go check them out on Subvert and Bandcamp if you want, and all the other streaming platforms. Woo! All right, we're gonna let them.